Continuing to follow a first alert from the Louisiana State Capitol. Governor Jeff Landry signed a law that requires public schools and public universities to display the 10 Commandments in every classroom by 2025. KSLA's Naidu Dazamaya spoke with several people about their thoughts on the new law.
This bill mandates the display of the 10 Commandments in every classroom in public, elementary, secondary, and post-education schools in the state of Louisiana.
Louisiana is the first state in the country to display the 10 Commandments in public schools. Now, civil liberties groups are working to file a lawsuit against the new Louisiana law.
It's a violation of our Constitution's promise of religious freedom for all of us, and not just some of us. And it's so abhorrent because it's happening in the context of our children.
The executive director for the American Civil Liberties Union said in a statement, it also undermines our nation's commitment to religious freedom and the separation of church and state. Shreveport attorney Royal Alexander tells us that under the First Amendment, a government cannot establish a religion.
And in a public school, you're not supposed to favor any religion. But again, I think that can be gotten around by making it more of an educational or historical display with several other things right around the 10 Commandments.
Some Louisiana residents support the new law.
I think we live in a dark world, and so any way that we can shed light into the classrooms and with the young people, I think it's a great thing. And so,
meanwhile, others said there are many cultures and beliefs from teachers and students, and having the 10 Commandments displayed would challenge that.
It is kind of a constitutional violation. The first thing I thought about was separation of church and state. I mean, there's a reason that we have the Constitution.
In 1978, a Kentucky law required the posting of the 10 Commandments in public schools classrooms. However, in 1980, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down the law, saying it violated the First Amendment's Establishment Clause. The new law will go into effect in 2025. In Shreveport, Naidu Dazamaya, KSLA News 12.